Okay, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please introduce yourself.
Good evening, sir, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Anisha Ashtikar. I'm from Pandharpur, Maharashtra. I've done my BTech in Information Technology from Solapur University. My aggregate in engineering is 8.4 CGPA. I have secured 72% in 10 standard and 67.23% in 12 standard. My technical skills include Python, C, C++, basic SQL, and database. I've practically worked on web development and also built some projects. Coming to my extracurricular activities, I love dancing as well as I love to sing and paint. I consider to be a self-motivated and work towards my goal in positive attitude. I've also gone through some certification through online platforms such as Coursera and NPTEL. Uh, I think I'm having an focused person and optimized in my hard works. Lastly, concluding all my success, I would like thank you so much.
Okay. Can you tell me about your projects that you have done in your academic?
Yes, sir. I have done a mini project named as Plasma Donation Management System. It is a web application project. The front end we have used is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and the backend we have used is PHP and MySQL. In my project, we have shown the plasma donation management system as it is a web page for the persons who needs to donate or receive the plasma. We have shown a main page that is it contains of the login, tables which contains the login page, about us page, FAQs, the records, and the details about what is mean by the plasma donation system. So when the user comes to the login page, he select either to log in or to sign up. If a user is already existing, he will log in by its username or password. Or if the user is new, he will sign up using his by providing his all details such as his first name, last name, its gender, then contact number, and where he is located from, and also a username and a password, which will be helpful for opening it. So
What
when
is your role in the project?
So I have done the front end pages and also helped in the back end of PHP and MySQL.
Okay. You have used JavaScript, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me some basics of JavaScript?
For the means for the backend process.
What is the main importance of JavaScript language?
So for the
It's
responsiveness, the HTML, the page of the web development, where only the page is a simple page, but for making it responsive, we use the tags for the CSS and the JavaScript mostly.
okay. Means it's mainly for the interactive to make it interactive in a website.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
For the responsiveness of the web page.
Can JavaScript used in both backend and front end?
Um, yes, so uh, yes, mostly because we add the JavaScript syntax for the front end. Then for responsiveness for applying it, we also use it at the back end also with the PHP and
Then
with MySQL queries.
so is Python or JavaScript? Which one is better in Python and JavaScript?
In Python and so I think so Python.
How?
So it is an integrated language, and it mostly have the high level things which worked on any PCs or which works on any Windows, and it's make the operating system. It makes the web development pages, and also it is used in the artificial intelligence and machine learning also. Like it is used in the cutting edge technology. So might be the Python program is much better than JavaScript.
Okay. So can you tell me some HTML tags?
HTML, thanks, I guess. We use HTML tags for writing a paragraph. We use paragraph. Then for breaking the line, we use break tags. Then also some basic as we include HTML title head, then the body tag, and also their means slash body slash head slash title slash html.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me why the computer network is important?
um, so computer network means it connects the internal systems of the computers, or it connects the operating system, means it connects the system through the networking, such as we can use optical cables or coaxial cables for transferring data also.
Then what is network? How you can define the only network?
Network is an it is an interconnection, it is an interconnection uh, which we use mostly, such as the ww,
What is the WW?
the world wide web, the network connection.
Okay. So what do you mean by network topology?
uh, net, uh, Network program means uh, from the client, from it is a client server based model from where a server sends the links to the various clients, and it has
No.
many types such as
Hmm.
bu- bu-
Network topology.
yeah, it has a many means it sends the links, means it sends the server, from the server it sends the messages to the client, and it has also has various types such as burst topology, star topology, um, then ring topology, and
What is bus topology?
burst topology. It is connected by a single wire, means it is attached. Many computers or many clients are attached to the main single server, and they are sending the links.
Then star topology.
Start. So it is connected in the circular motion. Uh, means too many clients and server, means clients and servers are attached to one each another.
Then ring topology.
Uh, it is also in the circular, but the problem in the ring topology is when a server means passes the message, and if means one client cannot catch it, it does not forwards for the other clients.
Okay. So can you tell me some protocols in computer network?
uh, Such as protocols such as OSI models, then TCP IP protocols.
Then
Um,
can you read some? Yes.
and
You just share your screen
yes, sir.
and open Notepad also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Notepad.
Yes, sir.
You increase the font size. Keep it 20, 24. Okay. 24. Now write some SQL commands, whichever you know, one by one.
uh, SQL commands. Okay.
Can you explain?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
uh, so in the select the delete command, uh, the select command delete. This both are the DML languages, that is data manipulation languages, which used to select the data, means which used to update the data. The update, create, and alter. These three are the DDL commands, that is the data definition languages. This manipulates the data which has already been updated. The commit and rollback, these two are the TCL commands, that is a transmission, that is transmit control language. Uh, it it access and maintains the transactions of the command, and the grant and revoke is the DCL command, that is uh, it gives and maintain the access between the data.
Okay. Okay. So what you do, you create one database, customer database.
Okay.
Okay, you erase that contents. You write one customer database by mentioning ID, customer name, name, contact name, address, city, okay,
Okay,
and country.
so name of the table. Okay.
Yeah, customer database. Contact,
Contact also.
okay. Then address and city.
So I should write the names
Yeah,
used.
yeah. You some random dummy data.
Okay. No.
You write any 10 digits. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Now what you do, you copy that row, okay,
Yes, sir.
first row, and you paste it. You paste in next 2 3 rows. Okay,
Okay.
then just change with the ID.
Yes.
Now how you select the customer name and city?
Customer name and city.
Write a query
Uh,
for that.
yes, sir.
No, you need to select only customer name and city
Okay, sir.
from the customer table. What you are providing?
Uh, Select the customer name and customer city from customer table, where
No,
name
what I asked you to write query
and
for.
for the name and the city
Okay,
for
then
the
why you
customer.
are adding where?
Group by. So group by.
Okay, can you write the syntax for SQ select distinct,
Select this thing
select
from.
distinct. Oh, what is that syntax? The statement SQL
The
select distinct statement.
so uh, means it shows all the it shows the distinct value which we put there. Means if we put for customer name, it will show it will fetch only the customer names. Um,
Then what about where?
where it fetch all the columns, sir.
No, where clause.
Where clause? Um,
As you are writing the after the customer that from table,
uh,
you are using where, no? Why you are using that where?
so to means fetch the data from where uh, the data is belong to, either in the column or row.
Sure.
No, not so sure.
Okay. So can you tell me explain infix the prefix statements with by taking expression
Okay, so here
with
only.
prefix postfix
Yes, sir.
by
Uh,
taking one example.
so infix means there should be means the operator should be in between the operands, two operands. The infix
Hmm?
uh, infix means the operator should be between the two operands. As for example,
You take one expression and you can explain.
okay.
You write down. I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You need to convert that expression. Okay. You write a bracket, double bracket.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A plus B, capital A plus B plus B into C. Close the bracket. No, capital A plus B. You close the bracket. Okay. Into C
Yes, sir.
minus bracket minus okay, D minus E. No, C minus.
C minus
C
B.
minus in the bracket write down D minus E.
B.
Okay, can you yeah, double bracket convert this equivalent write down any equivalent prefix and postfix notations.
Yes, sir.
So prefix, what is prefix?
So prefix means the operator will come before the operands.
Okay. Operator comes before operand. So you are how you are writing then prefix.
Yes, sir. Means first the circular brackets will go in the stack. Then the operator will be there. So the operator comes before the operands. No. So first operands will be there, and before it, all the operators will be present.
Whatever you are writing, it is a prefix or postfix?
So it's prefix.
Okay, you just open one editor,
It's online compiler.
the online compiler. So in the before that, in the notepad only, you draw one pattern. Okay, you draw one pattern. Uh, you just press a space bar continuously.
Yes.
Yeah, again press it. You write down one,
Mm,
next row. Okay, next row.
mm,
Okay, two two. Oh, you write it in a triangle pattern.
oh,
Okay.
okay. Triangle.
No, yeah, two in next space two. Okay, next
Oh,
row three three. Next four times. Okay, next three times. Next two times. Next one. Uh, Write a program for this.
yes. Six.
What is the logic?
Uh, so firstly, we will take the k, then I'll show the rows -1 because it is on the next row. So it will print as means the k is equal to rows in means 2 into rows -2. So it will print to the next all the next rows. Then I'll print for of means I loop means, for I in range. I will show or 0 and n iterations. Then again inner loop I will shows the for the j loop for the j iteration and
Okay,
the
okay,
o.
try it. Write a program.
Yes.
You press the Control plus plus in the browser. Means keyboard.
Yes.
Yeah. Is it correct?
Um, so two, it's one. Yeah, second row. Um, I have to print like a diamond, no, sir? The numbers in diamond.
Yeah, you have a pattern, no, that in the note.
Yes, sir. Uh, two.
In the second row, you have to put 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3 times.
Yes. Mm.
Okay. It's okay, no problem. Can you tell me what are the different type of linked list?
Um, yes, sir. There are three types of linked list. First, singly linked list. The single linked list means it contains one node and one address. Then, second one is a doubly linked list. It contains one node, but and it has two addresses, one for the previous node and one for the next node. And third is circular linked list. The circular linked list means we have the address of the first node at the last. We have the address of the first node, address of the last node to the first node, and it is a form in the circular chain.
Where we use these linked list concepts?
Uh, Mainly in the multiplayer games, or um, uh, in multiplayer games are mostly, so
The
in the game,
applications of the linked list in real
um,
life.
in real life.
Can we use it for implementation of stacks and queue linked
um,
list concepts?
English. So no means because the stack is having the means it's a LIFO concept, the last in first out, and the queue is having the FIFA means the first in first out. So uh, the LinkedIn means we need to add the pointer means we need to add the address to the nodes. LinkedIn means
What about the music player? Are we using linked list concept? Music
um,
player.
yes, music player.
Where
Means when we are playing one music, it gives the system of either to play the next music, or to direct, means either we have to, means back the previous song, either we have to hear it, or either we have to move to the next, or also it directly uh, jumps to the 3 4 times after the 2 3 songs, after the 2 3 songs. It also it have also a recursive, like after ending all the playlist, it again come back to the first song only where we have started. So so the in the music player we use the linked list.
okay, can you tell me difference between the structure and arrays?
Um, Structure and arrays. So array, it is a collection of elements um, of the similar data types, and structure, it is a grouping of variables. Then array is a it is a static memory. It is stored in the continuous location, and structure structure is stored in the um, um, structure is having it is stored in the public, no, it is stored in the stack, um, and then structure variable has its own structure intents, and then array,
Okay. Okay, can you tell
that's
me
all.
some principles of agile model?
Principle of agile. uh, the means firstly it start with the planning of the uh, models, where the people's plan about the model which we have to make, which the which we have to make. Then it is then it is further goes to the designing and analysis stage, uh, where
No,
the
why you are telling about phases? Why the agile model is so famous?
um, um, because every phases has means during the every phases of stages, they get communicated with each other. If any optical, means any hurdle come in any phase, they sort out there itself, and then they recover that phase and again goes to the next phase. uh, then uh,
Okay.
they convey
See,
to the users about the maintenance firstly only, before launching in the market.
okay, means the user involvement in the project.
Yeah, user
So
involvement of the
the
project is
user
different.
involvement, is it at the start of the project or end of the project in
Uh,
agile model?
so in the start, they gives the idea of the model, and at the end of the when the deployment and or the maintenance part come, uh, the mostly the users are involved.
Okay, Anisha, see, in the as you in the introduction, okay.
Yeah, yes,
So
sir.
you no need to tell your all the percentage and all, okay. You
Okay.
need to like in 30 seconds you need to complete your introduction, right? So no
Okay,
need
sir.
to give all the details and come to your compared to your the first mock interview. Now it is improved your confidence level, okay.
Thank you, sir.
But see, for persistent they expect the
Yes.
technical concept. So still you have to revise the concept. You are not still clear about some of the concepts. So go through the computer networking, operating system, C programming, okay, some
Yes, sir.
concepts and data structure. Try to because you do maybe you will get tomorrow or day after tomorrow your
Okay, sir.
interview dates. So try to like cover it because it
Yes,
is
sir.
your so you can do well, but you need some preparation. You just focus on your preparation, okay?
Yes, sir.
So if possible, tomorrow we'll have one more mock. So you just focus on your preparation. Hmm?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you
Okay.
so much, sir.
Yeah. Okay. We'll end, huh?
Okay, sir.